Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Navy Federal access number or have forgotten your login credentials, follow these steps to recover your account access. Step 1. Visit NavyFederal.org and click the Sign In button. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Access Number or PIN link below the login fields. Step 2. Click the link and select the option to recover your access number. Navy Federal will verify your identity before proceeding with the reset. Step 3. Enter your Navy Federal member number or account number from your debit card, checkbook, or account statement. Also provide your Social Security number. Step 4. Provide your date of birth and the phone number associated with your Navy Federal account. This information helps verify you're the authorized member. Step 5. Navy Federal will ask security questions based on your account history and personal information. Answer these verification questions accurately to continue. Step 6. Once your identity is confirmed, you can create a new access number. Choose something between 3 and 20 characters that you'll remember easily, but is secure. Step 7. Navy Federal may send a verification code to your registered phone number or email address. Enter this code when prompted to complete the access number reset. Step 8. After resetting your access number, you may also want to reset your PIN for enhanced security. Choose a PIN that's easy to remember but difficult for others to guess. Make a note of your new access number securely. You can now log in to Navy Federal Online Banking to manage your military banking needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.